It is earned. Freedom is earned by learning to make room for yourself in the world, and nobody will do that for you. You've got to take your space in the world and inside of yourself. Both those things are a process you need to attend to all the time. In my book, I speak about living your life being like living in a house with many rooms. Many rooms. Endless numbers of rooms. But most of us end up stuck in 1 or 2 rooms only.